This tutorial will give you an overview of DRMS mobile app available on Android and iOS devices. The interface is the same for both platforms, so for this tutorial we will use iOS.
DRMS mobile app provides a solution to complete and upload tasks. And so to work through a task, we will see some elements for the app and how it works. On the home screen from the top, we'll see the overflow menu where we have multiple items. We can reset the pen that we set up initially. We can access tutorials. We can see the version of the app that we're running on About, or we can sign completely out. So next to it, we have the two arrows up and down. These two arrows is to sync your mobile app, and basically what does that do is upload all the tasks that have been completed on your device. So every time you get done, make sure that you upload while you're online. And so we'll go ahead and work a task. And for that, all the tasks that have been assigned to me will be on my tasks. So I'm going to go to my tasks and I will find the list of the tasks that have been assigned to me. And I will see the first one that I have, the reconnaissance. I will go to that task and start working it. So when I tap, I see the task details, and I will see again the type of task, the ID, type of task, the zone, the due date for that one, as well as the address. And all the way on the bottom, I see more informations, the blue link here. If I tap on this link, I will find additional informations about the site that could be very useful and help me get the job done real fast. So that's really useful. And so what else I can do? I have the address to the right here. If I tap and hold, I'll be able to copy the address to the clipboard of your smartphone, and you can go use your preferred navigator app if you either use Google Maps or Apple Maps, and then see your route to this direction. Well, in this case, I want to go ahead and start this task. So now that I know I'm ready to head there, I'm going to go ahead and swipe left on the bottom. I'll get in route, so my status will change for this task. All right, and I get a different screen. It's similar on the informations, although what I have now is a direction button. So if I tap on directions, it will launch my default navigation application, which is Google Maps, and I can start navigating to this location. Okay, and so what I would do, I will go back, and after I arrive to the location, and I am there, I can again use the info that I have here if I have any access issues or so, which is a pretty useful feature that was not available before. I can go and hit start. Okay, and this will get me to the checklist for this specific task. So on the top, I see again the type, the cascade ID. I see all type of elements. I'm gonna go ahead and complete the checklist. And for this checklist, there is basically 5 types of tasks. So there will be 5 overall. So I've copied an address here. Let me put in some notes. All right, so now after I added some notes, I will go ahead and add a photo from the icon to the top. I can either attach a photo or take one, so I'm going to go ahead and attach a photo from my phone. I'm going to add this one, and they're located all the way in the bottom so I can see that photo, or I can go ahead and basically use my camera to take a photo. All right. I'm going to go ahead and use this one. So I see the count on the top that I have changed to 2. So I know I have 2 photos here, and I should be good to go. So at this point, I can either save the task or submit it. If I'm good to go, I can submit it, but in this case, just for demonstration, I will save. So the task have been saved, and please submit when completed. So it will take me back to the home screen. Now, if I go back to my tasks, I'll be able to see that my task is here, it's in work in progress. But if I just want to see the ones that have been saved and it's some sort of draft, I can go back here to my draft and then I'll be able to see the task. If I want to delete the informations that I have put into the task and I want to start from scratch, I just can swipe here to the left and it will get me the delete option. And on this case, I don't want to delete, so I'm just gonna hit cancel. And if I go back here, I'll find the same informations. I can edit, go back to the task and edit it, and I'll find all the informations that I've added previously. Okay, but in this case, I'm gonna go ahead and hit submit. So I will hit submit, and then I'll get a message, and it will tell me, "Are you sure you want to submit this task?" Because after I submit it, I wouldn't be able to go and edit it. Okay, so I will confirm and hit submit. All right, so the tasks have been successfully uploaded. All right, now if I go back to my tasks, I will see that the task reconnaissance cascade ID and then 106 is checked as completed, and I have two more to go. All right.
Please, if you have a question, send us an email to the email showing on the screen or leave us your question on the comments. Thank you.